Apple Vision Pro, worth the hype. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Apple recently unveiled its Vision Pro headset, which is a mixed reality headset that can launch users into virtual and augmented reality. The headset has a starting cost of $3,499. The headset is equipped with impressive specs, such as two micro-OLED screens that can provide true 4K resolution, custom built-in speakers, LiDAR space sensing, and dual onboard custom processors. However, the headset's high price tag has led some to believe that it is a developer-focused device and not intended for everyday consumers. The headset is being positioned as a lifestyle device, with preview videos showing people watching movies, chatting with family, and using familiar computer software. Minority Report style. While the headset is real, it won't be available for the majority of consumers for many years, if ever. Some VR enthusiasts are balking at the $3,500 price tag. There are mixed opinions on whether the headset is worth the hype, with some people saying that it is the most advanced personal electronics device ever, while others are cautioning against buying it. The headset is set to launch in the US in early 2024. You should check the link in the description for useful AI websites. Start using AI or otherwise, it will use you. In fact, it is already using you. What are the technical specifications of the Apple Vision Pro headset? The Apple Vision Pro headset has dual M2 and R1 chipsets to handle regular software and its XR capabilities, respectively. It also has dual 4K displays, with each display measuring 1.4 inches in diameter and offering a large 5000 nits of brightness and 4000 pixels per inch (ppi). The headset features infrared cameras, LED illuminators, and tiny spatial audio speakers nestled in the soft headband. The headset relies on voice input, including Siri, to open and close apps and play media, and it uses hand tracking instead of controllers. It also has an external battery pack and a 2-hour battery life. The headset runs on Vision OS. The headset has a small dial that lets wearers alternate between mixed reality mode and virtual reality mode. The headset is set to launch in the US in early 2024, priced starting at $3,500. What is the field of view of the Apple Vision Pro headset? According to the search results, the Apple Vision Pro headset has a field of view of 120 degrees. The headset has two postage stamp size displays, one for each eye, and a trio of lenses stretches them to span a wider field of view while still preserving sharpness and color. The headset is trying to offer something more immersive than VR headsets, with a narrow field of view and obviously pixelated imagery. How does the field of view of the Apple Vision Pro compare to other high-end VR headsets? According to the search results, the Apple Vision Pro headset has a field of view of 120 degrees. Here is a comparison of the field of view of the Apple Vision Pro to other high-end VR headsets: HTC Vive Pro 2, 120 degrees, Meta Quest 2, 90 degrees, Oculus Quest, 90 degrees, Oculus Rift S, 110 degrees, Valve Index, 130 degrees, Pimax 8KX, 150 degrees. Overall, the Apple Vision Pro's field of view is comparable to other high-end VR headsets, with some headsets having a slightly higher or lower field of view. How does the field of view of the Pimax 8KX compare to the Apple Vision Pro? According to the search results, the Pimax 8KX has a field of view of 200 degrees. On the other hand, the Apple Vision Pro headset has a field of view of 120 degrees. Therefore, the Pimax 8KX has a significantly wider field of view than the Apple Vision Pro headset.